All right, guys, so I'll wait for everybody to get in there and here. But Periscope definitely has had an issue lately. Everyone says they're unable to get the notifications, and I can just tell by the way the numbers go up. They lag, they stop and they go, they stop and they go, they stop and they go. So everybody swipe to the right and share the feed, guys. Swipe to the right and share the feed. Invite all of your followers, please. All right. I want to talk about some stuff, and then I want to introduce a couple things. Got some good news for everybody for this week. All right. All right, guys. So I want to talk to everybody first. So please, everyone, share the feed. Please share the feed, all right? I want everyone to share this feed. Swipe and simply share the feed by clicking invite your followers, all right? I'll give you guys a minute for everyone to start up. We got actually a lot of people because we got almost 1,000 in here, and we got everyone in mentor tips as well. So guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Reza, and to all the new individuals that are on here. My screen name is Ocean Sky. I'm a venture capitalist, Forex investor, Forex trader, entrepreneur, businessman, and just a regular Joe. You know, I'm 33 years old, and I've gone from living in the back of my car to being worth $25 million in less than 10 years, in about 6 years. And I teach people exactly how to make money, how to trade the Forex markets, how to assess themselves in life, love, relationships, and essentially how to just be an all-around successful person. All right, all the lessons that I've learned in life, I pass on to my students and my mentees. And I also own mentortips.com, which is a mentorship program designed to essentially teach you how to do everything from trade the markets to advance in business, etc., etc. All right. So guys, let me speak to you guys about a couple things first, all right? So earlier on today, I came on and I did a little bit of a rant. I was a bit upset at some people complaining. Upon investing some time into analyzing things, I realized that somehow a group of individuals that kind of played off as being Ocean Sky fans, emailed me, pleaded to be in the program, got in that are actually not Ocean Sky fans. They are the haters from some of the guys from some of those websites that wrote stuff about me have somehow gotten in, and some people from wealth generators have gotten in. So it actually has nothing to do with our family members. It's individuals who specifically came in only to do that. All right, so they're actually paying me. They're paying $97 a month to disrupt the program and to hate on us, right? And there's nothing we can do to really block them, because I can't find out who they are, because they're hating with fake Twitter names and fake aliases. So you can't identify what their account really is. So with that being said, I'm not going to let that affect us. So let me tell you guys, reality is the entire world of Forex trading and mentorship is really shook right now. You know, my haters are shook. Reality is everybody thought, a lot of my haters have been trying to drag me down for the last 8 months, and they realized they failed miserably because I went up. So it's really burning their bums. The guys that are into the other businesses that do what I do now realize that I just took the entire real estate from them. I'm charging next to nothing, and I provide 10 times more than what everyone else does. Nobody in the industry provides what Mentor Tips provides. I have everyone that has seen what Mentor Tips provides has gone and said, you're actually crazy for offering this, phone calls every hour to people, trading signals, trading sessions, webinars. Like, it's way over and above what anyone else offers for a fraction of the price. So a lot of people in the industry are getting pissed off because they realize that I will take everyone from them. By the time Mentor Tips goes public, I will take everyone from every single market there is. And so it's hurting a lot of them. All right, now we're going to combat that very simple because we are a very powerful family. After I did that seminar, I had hundreds of emails, hundreds from everyone, just the most loving shit being sent to me, saying how much you love me, etc., etc. And I realized it's just haters that are paying to access our program, right? Reality is we are the top team in the world. I don't care what anybody says. This is the biggest, most powerful entrepreneurial team in the world that got assembled in such a short period of time. All right. And the first 500 that I brought in, we went through some beta testing, you know, things were changed, things were added to it. But at the end of the day, when you compare the fact that I've got live videos in mentor tips like Periscope compared to what everyone else does, which is just get go to webinar or go to meeting, you know, I have built mentor tips 10 times better than any other membership site out there because everything is customized, everything is done well, everything is catered. So the first 500 had to do a lot of beta testing, you know, and not everything was released to them in time. But for the new individuals that are going to be coming on, you guys are walking into a dream come true. And I thank the first 500 so much for helping me do the initial launch and do the initial beta testing, and the fruits of your labor are going to pay off because we're just going to get bigger and bigger and new things are being added every day. So how are we combating this? I now have 8 enforcement officers registered with mentor tips. All right, these individuals are moderating chat 24/7. They're moderating the new forum that's coming out 24/7. They're moderating all of social media. Plus I have another 20 individuals who are doing enforcement on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Periscope. They're actually enforcing on other, so these people may or may not even have access to other membership sites. All right, so we have full protection now. I've got moderators and everything. So guys, we have an entire enforcement team. All right, we're not going to tolerate any nonsense. We're here to make money. We're here to kick ass. We're here to be successful. We're here to be powerful. We're here to be bigger than every single other business in the world. And that's why haters are coming around, because they're threatened by me. Wealth Generators, Tim Sykes, all these guys, they're just deadly threatened. Not to mention all those guys that, you know, tried to bring me down and wrote all the negative stuff about me online. They're just dying right now inside because they got nothing they ever said about me that was going to happen. It really happened. And here I am, you know, 10 times more successful than them and more than they'll ever be. So we have an enforcement team now, a powerful enforcement team. You'll see them in the chats. You'll see them as moderators on forums. You're going to see them on social media. Their names are all going to say Mentor Tips Administrator or Mentor Tips Enforcement. All right? Other than that, guys, you know about the mods. So guys, I've decided I'm changing the first trading live session to 9:30 in the morning every day. All right, I realized the last 2 weeks I haven't been able to do the morning session. Very simple. I up doing the late night session. I stay on chats way too long because I never had moderators. Now that I got the moderators, you're gonna see a solid 2 sessions from me every single day. All right, in fact, my goal is to add a 3rd session. Okay, so my goal is to have the 9:30 in the morning session, which is starting tomorrow morning. So bam, New York session, dead on. All right, so everyone from the United States, that's a US session. The London session is going to be this at 10:30 p.m. So London session 10:30 p.m. New York session is going to be at 9:30 a.m. and the midday session, okay, I'm going to try to do one at anywhere from 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. So we're going to work on 3 sessions, all right? Why I did that is because I checked out all the competition, everyone around. Nobody does 3 sessions. Everyone does 2 sessions, and they charge around $500 a month for just the trading sessions, all right? Forex signals are going to be updated every single day going forward with at least 4 to 5 signals. Again, when I did my comparison with other signal providers, the decent competition is charging around $300 a month for USD CAD, Euro USD, Pound USD, and AUD USD. Just those 4 cost around $300 a month. All right, again, I'm trying to just shut everybody down. I'm a businessman. This is my family. I want to give to you guys. I don't want anybody to lose money. I don't want anyone to pay anyone else anything. 97 bucks a month, and it's non-stop shit you're going to get. All right? Now, the other thing that I'm introducing for you guys, it's right on Mentor Tips right now. If you go to Forex Master, you're going to see a new section. It says Forex Chart Signals. All right? Not only are you going to get Forex signals now, you're going to every single day get at least a bare minimum of 5 Forex charts consisting of all the major pairs plus gold and oil that is going to give you an entire analysis of the chart, Elliott wave forecast on it, Fibonacci's, pivot point, support resistance, an entire forecast of a minimum of 5 different currency pairs and commodities and precious metals, plus a future signal of whether it's going to break up or down, buy or short. So not only do you have the signals now you're going to have the Forex chart analysis. All right, that's going to be added by tomorrow. So just keep logging in. When they're there, you're going to see it. That alone costs about 200 bucks a month. All right. The sessions are being added as well. The forum comes tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow, the rest of the modules go live. I have once again changed how many modules. It is now 25 modules from 17. All right. So what did I do? Every other site, every other business goes out there and just when they make a course, they take a stupid PDF, they stick it on the website, and they say, read the PDF. Right? I could have done that and launched it overnight. No, not Reza. I went and I got the exact same system the University of Toronto has, York University has, and multiple major universities use. It is now like an actual course where students can enroll. In fact, I am thinking of even offering this course to universities. When you start page 1 and you see how in-depth it is, okay, the pre-course was just an entire basically set copy of the course I studied. My course is handwritten completely by me, and it is going to be 25 modules and growing. All right? Each module has a video, each module has a quiz, each module has an automatic test. You get student IDs, you got a login, you get a progress report. It is really school. I've created school. That's why my things take a week or 2 weeks longer than some other people, because I create shit that other people don't have. No one would offer what I'm offering. This course alone should cost $4,000 to $5,000. Easy. In fact, I am going to have the course available to individuals that do not want to be a member of Mentor Tips. If you do not want to be a member of Mentor Tips, the course alone is going to be $1,499. Okay? If you're a member of Mentor Tips, it is included. All right? The course alone, I'm going to be selling it as well. It is $1,499. All right? However, if you're part of Mentor Tips, it's included. And when you log in tomorrow, okay, when you log in tomorrow, oh, guys, sorry, for the rest of you guys that are not in Mentor Tips, all right, that are not in Mentor Tips, you're going to be getting a link to sign up. Basically, what I'm trying to say is I'm not going to let haters come in. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not going to charge my followers $1,500, but I'm going to put a price tag on it so haters cannot just come in. You see, I can monitor the $97 a month mentees. I know who you are, right? So if a hater comes in, I can boot him out. If he wants to hate, he can pay for the course. You understand what I'm saying? Like, I'm not going to charge you guys that. I'm putting a price tag on it. That way haters cannot get in for nothing, right? So for all the next, by the way, we're going to be bringing in another round of mentees by end of this week. So don't worry about it. You guys are 97 bucks. I told you that money will never fucking go up. All right. Why is it 25 modules now? Because I have encompassed, in fact, I have put so much stuff into this Forex course. I have learned some stuff during building the course. I have actually learned some stuff. That's how in-depth it is. Okay, cheap-wise, this is the cheapest thing on earth. What I'm offering is just it's stupid. It's borderline stupid. I've had mentors, I've had companies, I've had so much people turn to me and be like, what is wrong with you? And I told them, I said, I want to make something that is affordable for the world. Okay? Now, The course, 25 modules. Once you start going through the history, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, once you start learning, it's a real university style course. It's not like a PDF. You got to do progress reports, there's quizzes, there's so much involved to it, all right? As you go on, you start to get into an entire course on Ichimoku candles strategy, Heikin-Ashi candles, Gann lines, the shaft trend line. There's so many super advanced stuff that like the most advanced traders don't know. This course, I'm trying to create it in a way that eventually a university or a college is going to want it. Okay, it's got a course code, it's got a short code, you get student IDs, you get progress report. It's a real thing, and it starts tomorrow. All right, so each course has an entire outline, plus it has videos. All right, so it's as close as it can be to a university level course, which is why it took me longer than a week to upload it. If I wanted to do a stupid PDF, I could have done a dumb PDF and just dropped the PDF on there like every other mentorship does. Read the PDF. I don't know you after. You know what I mean? So guys, when things take a little bit longer for me, it's because look at the quality. Look at the Forex pre-course. That's a big PDF file that I used to learn. But do you see how I created a nice course around it? Do you see how I made it very active? You know, you can use it. Look, everything I do, guys, is above average. That's why things take a little bit longer, but I'm a perfectionist. And for those that stick around and have patience, dude, Mentor Tips is adding every week. There's so much fucking content coming into Mentor Tips that it's psychotic. Patience, you're gonna fucking make a oodle shit, tons of money. All right. Now, other than that, I just developed 2 new indicators for you. I'll be uploading them in about an hour or 2. Okay. A lot of people were not listening to me when I said, baby, take your profits. All right, stop holding on to your trades. So I went and I made 2 new indicators for you guys. All right, I developed them. They just got finished about an hour ago. One of them is just a simple trailing stop indicator, but the MetaTrader 4 does not create the trailing stop the way I want it to. So I created my own indicator for you. The other one is an order cancel order indicator. It's an OCO order indicator. However, at the same time, it has a trailing stop built in. So shall I teach you guys and show you guys how to use it? I'm uploading it soon. Let me go ahead and show you guys how. So all right. Everybody can see the charts there, right? All right. So very simple, guys. This is your charts. All right. Now, for the individuals that don't know what this is, don't know how to use it, please, guys, chill a little bit. I'm gonna be bringing about 200 to 500 more mentees and by the end of the week, hopefully. Okay. So, guys, don't worry. Again, this is Mentor Tips. I'm telling you guys, by the time I'm done with it, it is going to be something that is going to shut down every mentor's business, because I am constantly adding to it. As you see, I'm spending money every week. I'm buying new things. We cannot be beat. End of story. We won't be beat. Nobody is going to beat this team. As long as I'm alive, this is my fucking family. As long as I'm alive, these are my fucking people, not yours. All right? You want to be involved in this? You want to fuck with my family? Keep trying. We'll eat you. We'll destroy you. This is to all the haters. Keep talking. You won't beat us. You know why? Because we're loyal to each other. And you won't be able to fuck with them. Because if you want to fuck with them, you got to fuck with me. All right? That's that. Sorry, guys. Sorry. All right. So check it out. All right. So let me show you the trailing stop. So very simple, guys. It's going to be uploaded to your indicator section the same way all the other indicators are there. You know how to install indicators already. You put them in your folder. You already know how to do that. All right. So look, you're going to have 2 of them. One is called Trailing Stop EA. One is called OCO EA. All right. So let me use the trailing stop and let me show you quickly how it works, because I gotta go. I got things to do and upload things for you guys, all right? So you drag it onto your screen right away in the About section. You'll see. So no one says Reza didn't develop it, all right? Very simple. It says trading stop 4.00, mentor tips, Reza Mokhtarian. All right? No alert. Okay? You drag it on. You got to make sure the auto trading, you got to make sure up here, all right, this auto trading is selected. Because with that auto trading means selected, your EAs don't work. This is an expert advisor, not just an indicator. All right? So when you drag it on, this is what you see. You click on common. You make sure allow live trading is selected. And allow DLL import and allow import of external experts. That's got to be selected. Then you click on inputs. This is the magic, all right? Now, what this EA does is this. The normal trailing stop EA of MT4, the way it works is like this. When you hit 20 pips profit, it'll move the stop loss to 5 pips below it and keep following it. It'll never move the stop loss to break even. And you know how I keep telling you guys, move your stop loss to break even all the time. Protect it. Risk-free trading. The MT4 one doesn't do that. All right? One day I'm going to give myself a heart attack from all this energy I have. So I designed something that is bam, it's sick. All right, so check it out. You have 4 options. One says break even pips. All right, so break even pips means this, the number in there. So right now it's set to 10. That means when you are 10 pips in profit, the EA will turn on. All right, if you change it to 20, it'll turn on when you're 20 pips in profit. If you change it to 5, it'll turn on when you are 5 pips in profit. All right, so the break-even pips is how many pips profit you need to be before the EA activates. All right, so let's say we put it to 10 pips. All right, the trailing step means after how many pips should the stop loss continue to move up. All right? So for example, if you say when I'm 10 pips in profit, move the stop loss to break even, and you set trailing step to number 5, that means every 5 pips thereafter, your stop loss will move up a bit. All right? So if you're 10 pips in profit, your stop loss will go to break even, depending on the settings. When you go 15 pips in profit, your stop loss will move up by X amount of pips based on this setting here. So let's set this to 2, for example. All right? Now the break-even stop is the thing MetaTrader does not have, which is what I developed for you guys. This number here is how many pips above the entry price do you want the stop loss to create itself when you're in 10 pips profit. See, with MetaTrader, you can't do that. I programmed this so it does that. So this basically says right now, the settings are 10 for break-even pips, 2 for trailing step, and 2 for break-even stop. That means when I am 10 pips in profit, move the stop loss to original entry plus 2 pips, and every 2 pips that price goes up, okay, move the stop loss by 2 pips. So if you bought it at 133.68 and it goes to 133.78, boom, a stop loss is going to open right away at 133.70. So now your profits are all protected. Sorry, your trade is protected immediately without you touching it. You don't have to touch your computer no more. If you fall asleep, you don't got to touch it no more. It'll do everything for you. All right? It will immediately put a stop loss at break even plus 2. So now even if it drops and collapses, you made 2 pips profit. You didn't lose a penny. Now, if it goes up by 2 more pips, your stop loss keeps coming up 2 pips. So every 2 pips it goes up, your stop loss goes up 2 pips as well. So it is a guaranteed money protection. Guaranteed money protection. Whoever said I wasn't working hard for mentor tips, you were wrong. I've been working non-stop, man, to get things out for you guys. Non-stop. All right? So if you set this to 20, for example, which is, I keep telling, you know how when I put a signal out, I say take 15 to 20 pips? Now all you got to do is this. When you put a signal in, change the value to 15, and trail it whatever you want. So if I put it to 15, that means when I'm 15 pips, okay, in profit, start the stop loss automatically. All right. So my recommendation is put it at 2 and 2. Okay. And put the trail at 3 and put the break even stop at 2. That means every time you're 15 pips in profit, the stop loss will automatically open up 2 pips above your entry. So boom, right away, all your profits are protected. You're never going to lose in that trade. It is impossible to lose in that trade. All right? Because your profits, 2 pips are protected and you're in a risk-free trade. So now, if you're trading the news, you don't have to worry about rushing to your mouse and changing settings. You can trade the news now. Now you can change and trade the news. Because you know those days when the market goes boom, boom, in one way, and you don't have time to close the trades? Now you can, because it'll automatically close the trade, take the profit for you. All right? So this setting means when you're 15 pips in profit, move the stop loss to +2, and every 3 pips that it continues to go up thereafter, move the stop loss 2 more pips up. Because if it keeps going up and up and up, your stop loss is coming. So you're going like this. You're always protecting a shitload of money. So if it goes boom, 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 and drops, all this money you made, you didn't lose all this profit anymore. All right? So that's done. Next EA. All right? It's called the OCO EA. I drag it. Again, you see mentor tips, Reza. Now, if you go to the comment, same thing. You got to click allow live trading, allow. Why am I making Drake hand signals? I don't know. All right? I feel like I'm on that show, that song, Video Bling or whatever, Phone Bling. I keep making Drake signals. Maybe it's something for this from the 6. All right? So, same settings here in comment. Allow live trading, allow DLL imports, allow import of external experts. Now, same settings back here. Same settings. You're going to say, why is it the same settings? All right? Why is it the same settings? Because I have added the trailing step to this OCO program as well. So again, you know how all this works. You know how all this works already. Same theory. All right? There's one setting I didn't tell you about. All right? See where it says all charts? You can choose if you have this set to true. All you got to do is put it on one of the charts like Euro USD. It'll work on every single chart. So all you got to do is add it to Euro USD, and every single chart that you open up will automatically have that setting. You don't got to keep putting this indicator on every chart. It'll automatically control up the entire MetaTrader 4. All right? If you keep this off, set the false, then it'll only work on that chart respectfully. All right? So let's set it to true. All right? So let me show you what the OCO indicator does. When I click OK, the man's smiling up here. When this man's smiling up here, see this man up here? This dude's smiling up here, all right? When he's smiling, that means the EA is working, all right? So how does this work? This EA is brilliant, all right? The way it works is like this. When you take, okay, so let's say there's news coming out. You don't know if it's going up or if it's going down. How are you going to catch that trade? You can't just jump into it, right? Or you know how some days I tell you guys, if it breaks the trend line and goes up, buy it. If it breaks the trend line and goes down, sell it. You fall asleep, you wake up, I didn't catch the trade. I'm upset at Reza. I didn't catch the trade. And then Reza gotta yell at you because you never listen to Reza. Alright? So, check it out. I made this EA, so this is how it works. It's an OCO. You create 2 orders. Whichever one opens first, the other one closes automatically. Simple, right? Bada bing, bada boom. So, let's test it, alright? I'm going to come here, and I'm going to put a pending order. Alright? So I'm going to put a pending order. So I'm going to be like, I want to buy an order. I want to put a pending order. I want to put a buy limit. So if prices, I want to say, if prices break, so let's say Reza's doing a seminar, right? He's like, yo, shucks, buy stop. So I'm like, yo, guys, if it breaks this section, you're going to buy. You're going to buy it if it breaks this section, right? And if it breaks this section, you're going to sell. But you're going to be like, Reza, I can't. I'm sleepy. I'm tired. I got to go to bed. I got to go to bed. All right, I gotta go to bed. I can't be up. So I can't catch this trade. I'm gonna say, yes, sir, you can, because you just load the OCO application, and that's gonna work. Because watch what the OCO does, all right? Whichever one of these gets activated first, it closes the other one automatically. All right? So watch this. Why do I have energy? Because I love my life. And I love you guys. Who even cares when my energy is so high? All right. I should have been a preacher. I should have been a preacher. All right. So check it out. So whichever one of these hits first, you're going to be, it's going to take the profit, close it. Now, normally in the Forex markets, all right, normally in the Forex markets, what happens is, hallelujah, hallelujah, I'm kidding. Normally in the Forex markets, what happens is when you do an OCO and one of these opens up, the other one closes, but it doesn't automatically take the profits for you. It doesn't automatically take your profits and protect your stop loss, because an OCO is only designed to close one order, cancel order, one, close other, all right? But what I've done, I have added the trailing stop into that OCO. So now, not only does it close off, all right, not only does it close off one position, but now you got the settings that it'll automatically take the profit for you. So this is like a guaranteed money-making thing. Because now, no matter what direction the market goes into, it'll open a trade. If you have it set to take 10 pips and move the stop loss to break even, it'll move to 10 pips and move the stop loss to break even. All right, so now it's guaranteed that not only is it going to execute one of the trades, but it's going to manage that trade for you as well. All right, so let me show you an example. So I got, this doesn't work in conjunction with this trailing stop EA. It has it built in. Look, when you go to Expert Advisors properties, it has it built in. You see the break-even pips, trailing step, and break-even stop? It's not only an OCO, but it has the trailing step built into it too. It's like double the power, like Superman and Batman at the same time. You know what I mean? So let's test it. We got a buy stop here, right? A buy stop. So this says if this price comes up and it hits this, it should buy it, right? So I'm gonna sell right now. I'm gonna sell. I'm just gonna take any sell order. So I just sold, right? See? The other one's gone. You see? The other one's gone. Other trade is closed. The moment I opened up one trade, it closed the other trade. See how amazing that is? So the moment, all right, one order opens up, the other one closes. All right. Now the beautiful thing is, now this sell order, because of the settings I have here and over here, all right, when this sell order goes 10 pips in profit, it'll move the stop loss to break even +2, and every 5 pips that it moves the stop loss for you. So this is your not only does it open both the trades, okay? Not only does it open the trades, it manages the trades for you. All right? It manages the trades for you. All right? So every single time that this thing opens a trade, it'll manage it. So now, if there's news, guess what? When non-farm payrolls come out, when interest rates come out, now you know what you do? Let's say price is here. All right? Let's go ahead and close this trade. Let's say non-farm payrolls or interest rate statements are coming out, right? So price is right here, right? Let's say it's right here. The news comes out in 5 minutes. We come like this. It goes new order, right? Buy stop. Because we don't know if it's going to go up or down, right? We don't know up or down. How do we know up or down? We don't know up or down. I put a buy stop and I put a sell limit. Okay? No. I put a sell stop. Hold on. And I add a pending order, sell stop. All right? So, Let me just get rid of this one here. All right, so check what I did. So let's say news is about to come out. All right, I gotta buy here, I gotta sell here, and the moment either one of them goes in a 10 to 15 pip profit based on the settings, it's going to move the stop loss to break even and take all the profits. Now, guaranteed money. It's guaranteed money. Guaranteed money. All right? Okay? So not only is it going to go ahead and immediately open the trade and close the other one, it's going to take the profits, control it, and for those that are not patient with mentor tips, this is the stuff you're not going to get. All right? I work 24 hours to bring the most craziest shit. Every week, there's going to be new indicators like this. All right? Now, check it out. For those people that think they're smart. They're like, well, I'm going to come and sign up, take everything Reza has, all right, and then just run away. That's okay. Good thinking. Because every single thing on this site expires every 30 days. Every single one of these EAs, indicators, the courses, everything expires every 30 days. So you can use it for 30 days if you don't have a membership. If you're not a part of the team, it'll expire in 30 days. Because every 30 days, they're going to get a new download link. I'm one step ahead of you, all right? My aim is to build this into the most powerful team in the world. And I will. I got my boys. I got my girls. I got my support. I love you guys. All right? Love, love, love. Where's the best place for me to learn Forex? MentorTips.com. All right? Anyway, I love you guys. In about an hour or two, a bunch of this stuff's going to get uploaded onto the site. All right? Other than that, I'll see you guys in the morning. I got to sleep. Because I can't be up late nights no more. Because I got to be up early in the morning, 9:30 in the morning now, to do the live sessions with you guys. All right? So, and again, to everyone that beta tested with me the last 2 weeks, the little lags here and there, I love you. Thank you so much for having my back during that time. Thank you for toughing it out. You know, at the end of the day, your true colors came out. The people that said, you know what, we're sticking with Reza no matter what, and we're letting this build up to be the best thing in the world, your true colors came out. Because at the moment when there was stress, you guys had my back. And to the ones that were complaining and crying, you showed your true colors as well. You showed you're not a loyal person. And that's just the reality of it, all right? I love you guys so much. Let me turn this Periscope. I love every single one of you guys. Nothing stopping Team Ocean Sky, man. This is it. Okay, I'm opening up the door for another 200 to 500 people end of the week, so get ready. Get ready, guys. But anyways, I have people's contacts. I'm going to be contacting them individually. I'll see you guys 9:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. All right, baby? Let's do it. All right, let's do it. Let's get out there. Let's fucking build Team Ocean Sky to the biggest thing in the world. Mentor tips, baby. Love you guys. One love and blessing.